Good morning everyone. So today, we'll show you how to properly practice the 5S. The first S is the desere or sort, which is to take out unnecessary items and dispose.
Ano ang una natin gagawin? Pagbuwas-buwain muna natin ang magagamit at saka di magagamit. Tingin ko ay dapat nang itapon. Pero kung meron ka pang mapiling dapat ikit, ilagay mo na lang dito sa disposal. Ito, parang maaari pa siyang gawin. Saka ito rin. Mga ganitong sira na talaga, hindi na magagamitan. Dito ko na ilagay. Dito tapon na natin yun.
The next S is the set on or systematize, which is to arrange necessary items in good order for use.
Ano ang ilalagay natin dito? So, in this area, lagay natin yung mga mini robots. Diyan area, lagay natin yung mga cardboard. Yung mga files naman, dito na lang sa baba, i-arrange mo na lang.
The next one is the seso or sweep, which is to clean your workshop. The fourth S is the seketsu or sanitize, which is to maintain high standard of housekeeping.
Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng schedule para mapanatili ang pagiging malinis ng ating working area. So, ganito na lang. Pag MWF, ikaw yung maglilinis. Dapat susundin mo lahat ng mga pwedeng gawin para maging malinis ang ating working area. And the rest of the day, sa akin na lang yun.
The last S is the shitsuki or self-discipline, which is to do things spontaneously without being told or ordered.
Practice 5S and make it your daily habit. 5S designed to decrease waste while optimizing productivity through maintaining an orderly workplace and by using visual cues to attain more consistent operational results. What can an individual gain from 5S? First, 5S makes your workplace more pleasant. Second, 5S makes your work more efficient. Third, 5S improves your safety. Fourth, 5S improve quality of your work and product. Application of hazard and risk identification and control. Hazard is a potential source of harm or adverse health effect of a person or persons. Risk identification is a process of determining risks that could potentially prevent the program, enterprise, or investments from achieving its objective. Common hazard. First is the physical hazard. Physical hazard is an agent, factor, or circumstance that can cause harm with contact. They can also be classified as type of occupational hazard or environmental hazard. Chemical hazard. Chemical hazard is a chemical that has the potential to cause harm to life or health. In the workplace, it is a type of occupational hazard. Exposure to chemicals can cause acute or long-term detrimental health effect. The third hazard is the biological hazard. Biological hazard or biohazard is a biological substance that possesses a threat to the health of living organisms, primarily humans. This could be included a sample of microorganism, virus, or toxin that can adversely affect human health. The fourth type of hazard is the electrical hazard. Electrical hazard is a dangerous condition where a worker can or does make electrical contact with energized equipment or conductor. The last type of hazard is the ergonomical hazard. Ergonomical hazard are physical conditions that may pose risk of injury to the musculoskeletal system, such as the muscles or ligaments of the lower back, tendons or nerves of the hands or wrists, or bones surrounding the knees, resulting in a musculoskeletal disorder or MSD. Control hazard including: first, use personal protective equipment. Second, implement engineering control that includes modification in process, enclose or isolation of emission and ventilation. The third one is the implementation of administrative control that involves a work schedule, policies, and practices including education and training, good housekeeping, and emergency preparedness. The last way to control hazard is to eliminate or remove the hazard from the workplace.